I'm Peter Hotez, and it's exciting for me to congratulate my friend and longstanding colleague, Dr. Bernard Pecoul, for receiving the Clara Ludlow Medal, which recognizes honorees for their inspirational and pioneering spirit, and whose work represents successes despite obstacles and advances in the field of tropical medicine. And this beautifully describes the extraordinary life and career of Dr. Bernard Pecoul. He obtained his medical degree in France and then worked for the MSF, Access to Essential Medicine campaign, and was the founding executive director of DNDI, Drugs for Neglected Disease Initiative. And this is how I began to be aware of Dr. Pecoul's extraordinary work, really making the drugs for malaria and neglected tropical diseases such as sleeping sickness and Chagas disease that the big pharma companies were not necessarily in a position to make, and really pioneering the concept that you don't necessarily have to be a big pharma company to do big things, especially for global health, especially in resource poor settings. And for me, Bernard has always been a role model of what you can achieve and what we've tried to do in our group for vaccines. And it was, on a personal level, he was always is a source of inspiration for our vaccine efforts, now leading to two COVID vaccines for global health that are reaching more than 100 million people. So beyond his accomplishments, I think Bernard has been an extraordinary leader and voice for people who live in extreme poverty, but also a voice and role model for young scientists to emulate for everything that he's accomplished in his time as both at MSF and founding executive director of DNDI. So congratulations, Bernard. This is more than well deserved. I'm thrilled for you and your family. And of course, I'm thrilled for DNDI, one of our true great global and international resources and a vital and essential organization for world health.